Hi, I'm Brooke, and in this video we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction of unrelated fractions. So in this example I've got 1/3 and 1/4 and I'm trying to add them together, but the denominators are different. Here I've drawn a bar model to represent both fractions. So to add the two I need to make them have the same denominator, and to do that I need to find a common multiple of both 3 and 4. So a common multiple of both of them is 12. I'm going to divide each of my bar models into 12. Now we can see that I've got 4/12 and 3/12. And now that the denominators are the same, I can add them together. 4/12 add 3/12 equals 7/12. So to summarise, we need to define the lowest common multiple of both of the denominators, add the numerators together and leave the denominator the same, which gave us an answer of 7/12. And that's how you add and subtract unrelated fractions.